back to Live Your Style. I am Shara. If you guys are new and didn't know that, now you do. In today's video, I will be partnering with FabFitFun, and I'm gonna tell you guys all about their winter box a little bit later. If you guys have not yet subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Live Your Style fam. We love new subscribers, and we are a big happy family here. And as you know, we are covering a whole bunch of holiday decor videos the last few weeks, and today is no exception. I wanted this video to be kind of an application video and a shopping video. I know in some of the other videos, some of you guys have said, you know, my budget's not very big. I maybe can't afford to go out to all these stores. Even though Target and Home Goods and those places aren't necessarily really expensive, it does add up. And not everybody has that kind of budget to go and buy some of those things. I don't even have that kind of budget most of the time. So I wanted to challenge myself. I wanted to take some of the principles that I've been sharing with you guys on decorating bookshelves, decorating your homes for Christmas, and I wanted to show you guys that it is possible to go to 99-cent stores and to go to thrift stores, secondhand stores, to find all of your decor and mix it in with certain items maybe that you already have. Or if you're able to buy one or two bigger, more expensive items and do the rest of them at more of a budget-friendly store like the dollar store or like a thrift store, you guys will be good to go. So I'm gonna kind of show you what to splurge on, what to save on, and how to save, where to go, and how to use it. Question of the video is a simple one and a yummy one. What is your favorite Christmas cookie? Maybe it's like a whole different kind of Christmas cookie that I've never heard of, because some of you guys live all around the world, so that'll be kind of a fun thing to read through. So leave your comments below. All right, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so as I was filming this video, I received my FabFitFun winter box in the mail, and so I thought I'd show you guys what's inside because unboxings are fun, and this box is so good, I just wanted to show you. Okay. You may not know about FabFitFun if you live under a rock, but if you don't live under a rock, I'm sure you've heard of them before because they are great. Basically, it's a seasonal box that comes to your house and it's full of different beauty products, wellness products, fitness products, and just a variety of different, just really great items like hair masks and blankets, and sometimes there's decor items in here, and it's different every single season. And it's really cool because you guys can actually customize some of the items and pick online what you want in your box to make it more personalized, which is fun. And these items don't just have samples, they are full-size bottles and full-size products. They're like legit. Each box is $49.99, but it has a value of products worth up to $200, which is incredible to get that many things for $49.99. If you guys want $10 off your first box of FabFitFun, use the code LiveYourStyle at checkout and enjoy the discount. Okay, you guys wanna see what's inside? I'll show you. Okay, so here are some of the things that I have in here. This Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask, and I'm really excited about this because my hair, I was just looking at it this morning, just got it colored, and unfortunately, very fried. Ooh, and that smells so good. And not only is there a hair mask, there's also a face mask. And this is what I love about FabFitFun. I am discovering new products all the time. Once upon a time, a long time ago, when I had a blog, this was like when I first started out, I actually tried FabFitFun, and it was really funny because there's two products in that box. Both of them were hair treatments that I buy still today, and I discovered it on FabFitFun. Okay, this is a pure eyeshadow palette. Look at all of these colors. Wow, I am so excited about this. And there's also an Anthropologie Beauty Coconut Sugar Body Whip. I didn't even know Anthropologie had beauty products. I must live under a rock or something. Okay, I'm really excited about this Bite lipstick. The color is meringue. You guys always ask me what I'm wearing on my lips when I do these videos. Well, now you know. Is that not the most perfect color you've ever seen? It's like the most perfect nude. Really excited about this. What else do we have in here? Okay, Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener. I definitely could use a brightener. Oh, is this like a shimmer? Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. I'm gonna be like Kylie Jenner and put it on my hand. I feel really cool when I do this stuff. Don't you guys? I'm gonna have to try that later. Ooh, this is a jewelry organizer. Wow, you guys, this is so amazing for travel and stuff. Look at this thing. Holy cow. Got like a cover and you can put all your oh my gosh, this is brilliant. All of your necklaces and stuff so they don't get caught. Now I don't have to use my vitamin container to organize my jewelry when I travel. I have an actual jewelry container. An eye mask with hyaluronic acid. Pretty snazzy. Ooh, and there's 5 in there. That's incredible. I'm excited about that. Okay, and then I think this is the last thing. Guys, it comes with a blanket. Oh my gosh. You guys, look how cute this is. Oh, and it's two-tone. Look at that. So on brand. Scout, you cannot have this. It is mine, and I'm off. Okay, so what I love about the actual winter box of all these things I just opened, all of the items are cruelty-free, and most of them are by female-founded companies, which is pretty fun. The winter box is actually supporting the Kindness Factory, which supports kindness in different communities, which I think is kind of a fun holiday thing to embrace and be a part of. But overall, I just love FabFitFun. I'm really excited to try these products, and I just thought you guys might like to see it. So if you guys want $10 off a FabFitFun box, click the link below and enter Live Your Style in the checkout. Coupon code area thingy majooger. Okay, let's get into this video. So I'm gonna show you guys how I take out some stuff from my bookcases that are more expensive that I bought at a regular store, and I'm gonna put in some dollar store stuff and some other inexpensive finds that I found and show you how to make it work. Tip number one, splurge on the big items, save on the small items. When you go to a 99-cent store or a discount store, getting really good quality things that are larger decor pieces are gonna be really hard to find. However, if you look for smaller things like little candle votive holders or candles themselves, sometimes you can find really cute Christmas shapes at this time of year and spray paint them like I did. Utilizing kind of the most simple Christmas shapes that kind of look cool and then making them look a little bit fancier by including that on your bookshelf with something that's a little bit more expensive and a little bit larger to kind of make it, you know, balance out. Then no one will know that it's a dollar store hack, and it'll look like you got the whole shelf from Pottery Barn. I always get my candles here because they are $1 for a pillar candle, and you can get the white unscented. And then I just saw these, and these look a lot like a few candle holders that I got at World Market. I mean, the stars are kind of cheesy, but if you put them high enough, no one will even know what shape it is. They'll just see how cute this little red color is. Number two, go to thrift stores to find bigger items if you do not want to spend a lot of money on bigger items in other stores. The thing with thrift stores like Goodwill or Salvation Army, they are secondhand stores. So they're original items that were once really expensive that someone donated. Whereas dollar stores, you're gonna get pretty inexpensive, kind of cheap stuff. So for example, I am obsessed with this cute little Christmas house that I found at Goodwill. I think it looks so cute on the shelf, and it looks pretty similar to the one that I bought in a regular big box store. And it was only $4, and it works. It lights up, like that's crazy. Also, I found two different Santas. One, the little short, stubby guy that's kind of like a statue, and he did have a little problem with his paw, his hand, but it's really easy to fix if you just get a small little pine cone and some hot glue, and it'll look like he's holding a little pine cone in his hand. Problem solved. And then I just put a little candle right in front of his foot so no one would see that he kind of had a hard day. And then I also found this cute little plush Santa that I think looks so adorable on the shelf. Again, it mimics the same style of the little elf guy that I found at Home Goods. And this guy was only $4.99. And the best tip I can give you for shopping at thrift stores for the holidays is to start first or second week of November. That's when they first start putting stuff out. They don't get a whole bunch of like new shipments of really good holiday stuff, I don't think. So if you're there when they first put it out, you'll be good to go and you'll get really good discounts and find some really fun stuff. The third tip that I have for you guys on how to splurge and save is to start early, especially when it comes to picks. These are the things that you guys should put in your trees. You can make arrangements out of them, and they can be very pricey, especially if you go to places like Crate & Barrel or places that do have really, really nice quality picks. They're gonna be really expensive. However, if you guys splurge on a really nice artificial tree like I have back here, you can really save a lot of money on the things that you fill it with and still make it look incredible. I recommend starting to look for your picks at a craft or floral supply place, honestly before October 31st, before Halloween, because a lot of the time they put their Christmas stuff out so early and then they discount it like crazy just to get people to start buying it before Halloween. My kind of people, you know what I mean? You guys can find good stuff for your trees, but also you can go to the dollar store and find amazing berries. Now, I will just tell you this, not all the picks at the dollar store were, you know, something I would recommend quality-wise. However, I do think that they had some really cute pine cones. This guy saved Santa's hand. And then these awesome little berries that I put in a little Salvation Army vase that I found. And it just adds that perfect pop of red. And it's super festive. And they're $1. So cool. Number 4, plastic is fantastic. Okay, so a great way for you guys to be saving and splurging is kind of splitting up your tree and the type of ornaments that you purchase. I would say about 30% of the ornaments on your tree can be glass ornaments, which tend to be a little bit more pricey, and the other 70% can be plastic. A great place to find plastic ornaments is Target, Home Goods, and sometimes even Home Depot, and obviously Amazon. Look how cute these little ornaments are. They're like kind of pastel blush and gold and glittery. So cute, and they're $1 for 15. This is amazing. Number 5, get yourself some books, toots. Okay, you guys, I totally scored at Goodwill. It's crazy. All their books are $1.99 if they're a hardcover, so whether it's big or small or ginormous, they're all $1.99. That's insane and so cool. It's really hard sometimes to find really big books that are thick and long, and I did, and it's white, and it's perfect. And also, look how great of a binding this book is. So good. And this book is actually a Christmas book. What are the odds? And it has white and red. And it says the word Christmas. One thing that's really important when you guys are trying to put books in your bookcases is think of using them vertically and horizontally. So if you want to lift an item and kind of add some height to it because it looks kind of short in its own little space, put a couple books underneath it. If you want to add something next to it because it's kind of standing by itself and it feels like it's a little lonely, you can stack a few books next to it. Now if you guys cannot find any books with white bindings that you wanna, or maybe not even white, maybe your colors are red or whatever, if you can't find books that match that color palette, just turn the books around so you see the pages side, like I did up top on the bookshelf with the little reindeer. If you guys remember during fall time, I put a pumpkin, and for winter time, I put a little reindeer. And speaking of this little reindeer, isn't he cute with his new little trees next to him? Those are from the dollar store. Thank you very much. Number 6, get in the frame game. I really lucked out at Goodwill and found this brand new IKEA frame, which is amazing. That does happen from time to time if you kind of look through Salvation Armies and Goodwills. And in order to save money, rather than buying an expensive art print in a store, I go on Etsy and find a less expensive print, purchase that and print it myself. They're usually about $5 and pretty affordable and pretty cute. Also, if you keep your eye out, a lot of the time they do have little phrases or signs, things you can hang on the wall, like this adorable "Let It Snow" sign. I'm gonna put this in the bathroom. It's gonna just add a perfect little touch of winter to our bathroom, and it was only $1. Pretty cool. And remember the snowflake bowl that I found at the dollar store? Well, if I turn it around, it's not blue, it's silver, and it goes with my little "Let It Snow" theme. Okay, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope that some of you budget babes really loved this video. This was a last minute video we just did in the spur of the moment because I kind of felt like, hey, a lot of people, you know, can't go out and buy brand new stuff all the time. What can we do to kind of show them in comparison all the cool, nice decor that I've been showing in my videos and how you can actually realistically implement it on a really small budget in a secondhand store or a 99-cent store. So I hope we accomplished that. I hope you guys loved the way it turned out and that you learned lots. If you haven't signed up for the Live It Journal, make sure you do, because this week we are giving you guys all kinds of inspiration and tips and ways for you guys to enjoy living on a budget when you're decorating your home, and ways to maximize that and find ways to work around your limiting budget sometimes and make your home beautiful. So sign up for that. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you have not yet joined the subscribed fam, because we love Live Your Style fam. Oh, and leave this video a thumbs up, because we want to know if you liked it. Okay, you guys, I will see you guys in just a few days for another video of how to decorate your home in your Christmassy design style, and that goes up on Monday. So I'll see you then. Bye-bye. heavy.